Hello friends, in today's lecture we will be understanding number analogy type 2. We have already seen the type 1 MCQs. Now let us start with type 2 MCQs. So let us start with the first MCQ. The first MCQ says that 583 is related to 293, then 488 is related to what? अब स्टूडेंट्स अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो हम ये देख सकते हैं कि ये बड़े बड़े नंबर्स हैं। तो चलिए ऑब्जर्वेशन के तौर पे हम इसे तोड़कर देखते हैं। सो लेट अस टेक द फर्स्ट नंबर विच इज 583। So if I do 5 plus 8 plus 3, I get the answer to be as 16. Now let us see 293. It says 2 plus 9 plus 3, which is nothing but 14. So if you see the first pair, it is 16 and 14. I am getting the pattern in the form of 16 and 14. So the second number is 2 less than the first number. So as per the sequence, I have to find a number whose addition is less than the first number. So the next number is 488. So if I add the digits, that is 4 plus 8 plus 8, I get the answer to be as 20. So I need a number which is 2 less than the number which is 18. So let us check the options. The first option says 291, which is 2 plus 9 plus 1. So this is adding up to 12. If I take option B, which is 378, it is nothing but 3 plus 7 plus 8, which gives you 18. So this is what it was required. So we have got option B to be as 18. That is our right answer. Let us see the next MCQ. It says that 27 is to 9. So if I write down 27 is to 9, 27 is nothing but 3 का क्यूब। 27 वो 3 का क्यूब है और 9 ये जो नंबर है ये 3 का स्क्वायर है। तो मुझे ऐसे ऑप्शंस ढूंढने होंगे जो फर्स्ट मुझे क्यूब देगा एंड सेकंड मुझे स्क्वायर देगा। तो अगर मैं ऑप्शन ए देखूं जो है 64 is to 8, फर्स्ट नंबर जो 64 है वो 8 का स्क्वायर है। तो क्या हम ऑप्शन ए ले सकते हैं? हम ऑप्शन ए नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि द फर्स्ट नंबर इज 64। ऑप्शन बी है 125। 125 ये 5 का क्यूब होता है, बट अगर मैं सेकेंड नंबर देखूं वो है 5, तो हम ऑप्शन बी को भी डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे। ऑप्शन सी है 135 is to 15. Is 135 a perfect cube of any number? No, 135 is not a cube of any number. So we are left with option D, which is 729 is to 81. So 729 is a cube of which number? I know that 729 is a cube of the number 9 and 81 is the square of number 9. So it is in the form of x to the power cube is to x to the power square, which is 9 cube is to 9 square. Hence, the answer to this question is option D, which is 729 is to 81. चलते हैं नेक्स्ट MCQ की ओर। It says 11 is to 1210. स्टूडेंट्स अगर हम 11 एंड 1210 का रिलेशन देखें तो कोई ऐसा फिक्स्ड रिलेशन बनते हुए नहीं दिखाई दे रहा। बट अगर मैं 11 टू द पावर 3 कहूँ तो इट इज़ नथिंग बट 1331। अब ये 1331 ये जो नंबर है ये 1210 के आसपास है। तो चलिए देखते कोई पैटर्न मिलता है या नहीं। I said that 1210 is somewhere near to 1331 1331. But if I do 1331 minus 121, which is nothing but 11 square, I get the answer to be as 1210. So what did I do? I did 11 to the power 3 minus 11 square. So let us write down the pattern. The pattern says that x to the power 3 minus x square. So if I look at all the options, I can say that option C is the most appropriate answer. Let us check it out how. Option C says that 8 is to 448. So if I split 448 as 8 to the power 3 minus 8 square, let us see the answer. I'll write it as 448 is equal to 8 cube minus 8 square. 8 का क्यूब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? 8 का क्यूब होता है 512. So 512 minus 64, which is nothing but 448. So is it in the form of x to the power 3 minus x to the power 2? We can definitely say that option C is the right answer. बढ़ते हैं next MCQ की तरफ. It says that 363, 489, 579. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम तीनों नंबर्स को देखें तो इसमें कोई एक स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न बनते हुए नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. तो चलिए इसे तोड़ के या तो एक ऑब्जर्वेशन के तौर पे देखते हैं. द फर्स्ट नंबर सेज 363. तो इसे एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन या मल्टीप्लिकेशन के जैसे देखते हैं कि इसका कोई एक ढंग का पैटर्न बन रहा है या नहीं. फर्स्ट नंबर इज 363. चलिए इसका ऐड करके देखते हैं. इट इज 3 plus 6 plus 3. So 3 plus 6 plus 3 is giving me 12. And if I split 12 as 1 plus 2, I get the answer to be as 3. Let's see the next number. It says 4 plus 8 plus 9. So I know that 4 plus 8 is 12 and 12 plus 9 is giving me 21. So if I split 21 as 2 plus 1, I still get the answer to be as 3. The next one says 579. So again, if I split this number as 5 plus 7 plus 9, I get the answer to be as 21. So I know that the options have to add to be 21, that is 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So let us check out the options. Option A says 562. Let us add the digits. I know that 5 plus 6 plus 2 is nothing but 11 plus 2, which is giving me 13. Option B is 471. Again, if I split it as 4 plus 7 plus 1, I get the answer to be as 12. So is the answer right in this? Definitely I can say that option B is the right answer, since we add 4 plus 7, which is giving us 11, and 11 plus 1 is giving me 12. So if I split 12 as 1 plus 2, I still get the answer to be as 3. Hence, I can say that option B is the right answer. चलते हैं नेक्स्ट MCQ की ओर. फर्स्ट नंबर इज 992, सेकेंड इज 733, थर्ड इज 845 एंड फोर्थ इज 632. एज यूजुअल ये बड़े बड़े नंबर्स हैं, तो या तो हम इसमें एडिशन कर सकते हैं या सब्ट्रैक्शन या मल्टीप्लिकेशन. चलिए देखते हैं कौन सा पैटर्न बनता है. फर्स्ट नंबर इज 992. तो अगर मैं चारों नंबर्स में एडिशन करूं तो कोई एक स्पेसिफिक नंबर, जैसे मैंने लास्ट ऑप्शन में कहा था, अगर मैंने एडिशन किया तो वो आता था 12, एंड 12 को अगर मैंने वापस से स्प्लिट किया तो मुझे मिल रहा था 3. बट अगर यहाँ पे मैं चारों ऑप्शंस देखूं तो यहाँ पे कोई स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न या एडिशन बनते हुए दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. तो देखते हैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसा बनता है. 992, अगर मैं फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड नंबर्स को साथ में लूँ, विच इज़ 9 and 2, let us see what I get. The first number is 9 and second number is 2. If I multiply them, 9 into 2, I'm getting the answer to be as 18. Again, if I split 18 as 1 plus 8, I get the answer as 9, which is nothing but the middle number. Similarly, if we go for 733, so 7 into 3 is giving me 21, and if I split 21 as 2 plus 1, I get the answer as 3, which is nothing but the middle number. So similarly, if we see the number third and number fourth, which is 845 and 632, I know that 8 5s are 40, so I'm getting the number 4 as the middle number. Similarly, 632, 6 into 2 is giving me 12, and if I split 12 as 1 plus 2, I get the answer to be as 3, which is nothing but our middle number. So if we see the sequence, I can say that we are multiplying the first and the third digit, then whatever answer we get, we are splitting that and we are adding it again. So let us see the options. The first option is 114. So let us check it out. So if I do 1 multiplied by 4, I get the answer to be as 4. So I cannot split it as of now. So option A has to be discarded. Option B is 326. Let us split it and see. If I do 3 multiplied by 6, I get the answer to be as 18. Now if I add 1 plus 8, I get the answer as 9, which is still not the middle number. Let's see option C, which is 425. If I take the first and the third number, which is 4 and 5, I get the answer to be as 20. Now if I add 2 plus 0, I have the answer to be as 2, which is nothing but the middle number. Thus, this is following the sequence. So I can say that 425 is the right answer, since it is following the sequence of the first digit multiplied by the third digit. Whatever the answer we get, we split it, we add and get the middle number. Hence option C is the right answer. चलते हैं next MCQ की ओर. MCQ कहता है कि 2, 14 and 16. अब चलिए एक पैटर्न या कोई सीक्वेंस ढूंढते हैं. It says 2, 14 and 16. तो अगर मैंने 2 को x लिया and 14 को मैं क्या लूँगा? 7 into x, which is 7 into 2. And 16 को मैं लिख सकता हूँ 8 into x. So I need the options to be in the form of x, 7x and 8x. So let us check out the options. Option A is 2, 7 and 8. Is it following the pattern? I cannot say that option A is the right answer. Option B is 2, 9 and 16. Again, this is failing the pattern. If we go for option C, which is 3, 21 and 24, is it following the pattern, students? I can definitely say that 3, 21 and 24 is following the pattern. It is in the form of x, 7x and 8x, which is nothing but 3, 21 and 24. Hence, option C is the right answer. Let us see the next MCQ. It says 6, 15 and 28. Students, by looking at 6 and 15, we might think that they are some multiples of 3 and all. But if you look at 28, the pattern is failing. So let us check out the pattern. First pattern is 6, 15 and 28. So let me take the first two numbers, which is 6 and 15. So what is the difference between two of these? I can say that if I add 9 to 6, I get the answer to be as 15. So I am going for first number plus 9. Now let me take the second number and the third number, which is 15 and 28. If I add 13 to 15, I'm getting the answer to be as 28. So the pattern is first number plus 9. So the pattern is first number plus 9, then second number plus 13. So let us check the options. Option A is 45, 56 and 66. Option B is 50, 59 and 71. Option C is 60, 67 and 72. And option D is 60, 69 and 82. So if we look at the pattern, we can say that option D is the right answer. If we add 9 to 60, I get 69. And if I add 13 to 69, I get the answer to be as 82. So we can definitely say that option D is following the correct pattern. And what is the pattern? It is first number plus 9 and then second number plus 13. Hence option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Informatica and do subscribe our channel.